Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Centre. This is stock number 3697P. It's a 2011 Dodge Ram Caravan cargo van, complete with shelving, bulkhead divider, and a roof rack. Have a look inside here. It's got shelving access from both sides. It's a nice solid floor there to slide material in and out. These vans are good service vehicles for electricians, plumbers, and communications guys. Here's a shot of the interior there. So this one's got full power options, power windows, power mirrors, air tilt cruise. And again, this is a 2011 Ram Caravan cargo van with 102K.